Hi, I'm Terry Cumming. I am a holistic interior designer and a house healer. And today I'm going to show you how to make dowsing rods and how to use them. So here's what you're going to need. You are going to need 2 coat hangers and wire cutters. That's all you're going to need. So let's do this. So keep in mind that I'm not great with the wire cutters, and maybe these aren't great wire cutters. We're going to go with that. But what you're going to do first, you're going to take a coat hanger, you're going to go to about there. That will be your handle, and you're just going to cut it. And watch. Maybe I'm not, there we go. There we go. So we have that, and you're just going to bend it. And then, but you can guess what we're going to do next. We're going to go along here to about there, and we're going to cut that. Hey, there, I'm all tangled. As that happens, okay. And there you go. And you're going to do that twice. And bend it all pretty. You can cut the little doo-woppy off if you have one of those, but I'm not going to bother with that. And then you can start your dowsing. So once you have both of your rods, you're going to get into a relaxed state. It is good to meditate first, just to basically relax your mind, because you're not supposed to be really thinking about what you're doing, because this is all coming subconsciously. So you're going to take your rods, and there's different ways that people say you're supposed to do it, but I do it more straight out. Can you see that? Maybe by the blue door, right? More straight out, and just sort of relax. I hold them like this and just let it rest and have them going straight out. And then you're going to find out what is your yes and what is your no. So that is going to be what you're going to base all of your information on. So what is my yes? So my yes goes there, and that's the most common. And what is my no? So my no goes here. So that is also the most common. It could be the opposite. It could be going in this direction. It's whatever it is that is going to work for you. And then you might have to practice it. It can sometimes, for different people, take days to get working, and some people it's right away. People say that, yes, you're moving your hands. Well, you are. Subconsciously, you are being told, you're getting the information subconsciously, and it's coming through your body. So really, you are moving it, but you're not doing it on purpose. You're not thinking about it. You're not realizing it's not a conscious decision to move these. So once you get that figured out, it's time to start asking some questions. So just to get comfortable with your rods, you can ask questions that you know the answer to, and just to see that you're getting the responses that make sense with your yes and your no. I could say, am I wearing a blue shirt? Yes. Okay. So we got that. What is that? There's something running through my backyard. Oh no, it's just a squirrel. Look big. Is that a squirrel in my backyard? Yes. Okay. So, is my hair red? No. So you're going to ask questions like that and see what your answers are. And then that way you're going to really know that it's working for you. Other things that you can do, things that I've done, have my kids hide things in the house, or when we're missing something, to go around and start looking for them. So to do something like that, and nothing like that is always 100%. None of this is ever 100%, but it is pretty cool when you can find something that you have no idea where it is and you're directed to it right away. It's very exciting for everybody. So you could have someone hide something in another room or somewhere in your house, and you want to find it, and say it is a blue pillow. You're going to visualize what that looks like in your mind and know what you're asking, and just asking, where is the blue pillow? And then you're going to start getting, do you know where the blue pillow is? Questions like that. Yes. Can you help me find the blue pillow? Yes. Is it on this floor of the house? No. So those kind of things, and you're going to direct yourself, go based on the answers. A stream of questions and answers are going to lead you to where you need to go. Can also be leading you direction-wise. So is it going to help to find where something is in the room? You could be, if it's over in this direction, you're going to be following the direction. So there's many different things to play with. This is just the beginning, but it is very interesting, a very cool thing to be a part of, to learn. Just very important. Just really open your mind, clear your mind, know that anything is really possible, and also just relax and don't overthink it. That is probably the most important thing. I'm Cherry Cumming. Thanks for checking out my video, and I'll see you again soon.